Garmin LiveScope 2 and Humminbird MEGA Live 2 are two of the most advanced live sonar systems available today, giving anglers a real-time view of fish, bait, and underwater structures. But which one delivers the better fishing experience? The Garmin LiveScope 2 starts at $1,999.99, while the Humminbird MEGA Live 2 is priced at $1,599.99, making it a more affordable option for anglers already using Humminbird electronics. Both systems offer impressive image quality, multiple viewing modes, and advanced tracking features, but they are designed for different fishing setups. In this comparison, we'll look at the design, image quality, range, features, and overall performance to find out which live sonar system is the better choice for your boat. Design and installation. The new Garmin LiveScope 2 simplifies installation by connecting directly to compatible Garmin chart plotters without requiring the traditional GLS-10 black box. This means fewer components, cleaner wiring, and an easier installation process for boat owners upgrading their sonar setup. The Humminbird MEGA Live 2 uses a dedicated live sonar transducer that mounts to a trolling motor shaft or aftermarket pole. It works with compatible Humminbird Apex, Solix G3, and Explore displays, making it a strong choice for anglers already using the Humminbird ecosystem. Garmin focuses on a cleaner standalone live sonar experience, while Humminbird focuses on deep integration with its existing fishing electronics and mapping systems. Image quality. The Garmin LiveScope 2 improves on previous generations with higher resolution, reduced sonar noise, better target separation, and wider sonar coverage. And the Humminbird MEGA Live 2 also brings major improvements with enhanced contrast, improved bait tracking, better image stability, and target boost technology that helps reduce bottom interference. It also offers multiple color palettes to customize the sonar view based on fishing conditions. Range performance. The Garmin LiveScope 2 offers improved range with the LVS 44 transducer, reaching distances up to 250 feet, while improving coverage across forward, down, and perspective modes. The Humminbird MEGA Live 2 is designed mainly for close to medium range fishing situations where anglers need accurate views of fish, structure, and lure movement around the boat. Its strength comes from detailed imaging and smooth target tracking rather than extreme distance scanning. Coverage and tracking. Garmin LiveScope 2 supports forward, down, and perspective modes with wider sonar angles, helping anglers cover more water while keeping fish movement smooth and easy to follow. Humminbird MEGA Live 2 also provides forward, down, and landscape viewing modes. The system adds features like target boost and customizable sonar colors to make fish and structure easier to identify in different water conditions. Final verdict. Garmin LiveScope 2 and Humminbird MEGA Live 2 are both powerful live sonar systems, but Garmin leads with sharper imaging, wider coverage, and a more advanced overall live sonar experience. The Humminbird MEGA Live 2 is a great choice for anglers already using Humminbird electronics who want strong performance and excellent integration. If you want the latest technology and maximum live sonar performance, LiveScope 2 is the better pick, while MEGA Live 2 remains a strong, value-focused option. If you enjoyed this Garmin LiveScope 2 versus Humminbird MEGA Live 2 comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, SmartTechRadar.